It's Black Friday madness in Benidorm town. Each and every single year, we show you what's happening in Benidorm on the craziest shopping day of the year, Black Friday. We are located right in the old town by the Dove Park, and we're heading towards the most famous shopping streets. As you can see, all the terraces are busy. There are so many people on the streets having a walk, enjoying and checking on the latest offers in the nearby businesses. Everything is open now, and there's plenty of people on the streets in the old town. As you all know, Black Friday means a lot of discounts. It's strange that some places are actually closed right now, probably for holiday season, and will be opening up shortly before Christmas. But others, those that are open, have all the deals ready. Here, for example, it's 20% discount on everything, which I feel like it is quite a good deal. It's not like a steal, it's not 40, 50%. But I feel like this might be legitimate. This might be like a regular, usual discount that people expect on getting. The other thing is when you see discounts up to 50% and even more, that's when you start thinking that, it's slightly too much. I wonder if they've increased the price before they've lowered it down. Because if not, it doesn't make any kind of sense. Honestly, all the places that are located here nearby, they're small businesses, so they're not able to put like giant discounts. And if they are, you shouldn't be thinking that it is real, honestly. These are small ones. Big brands like big corporations and companies, those ones can actually put way more aggressive deals, but not these small businesses. Christmas caramelized apples here and typical places to try out Spanish authentic foods are also open. Local bars and restaurants have put the terrace already, at least the tiniest bit here, and some heating on. Honestly, it is quite cold outside, so obviously it is slightly unpleasant to stay outdoors. And that's why there's heaters everywhere here. 16 euro menu, 2 plates. I think we've tried this menu or any other here at the restaurant Cordoba, but honestly we didn't really enjoy it that much. And it wasn't the best quality food, let's say like this. That's a rabbit. Oh my god. I've never seen a pet rabbit just like this randomly on the street. It's really cute though, but it's very strange to see a rabbit just like this. Typical jewelry places do not see any offers. Black Friday 3 for 2. Look at this. That's actually a good offer. 3 things for the price of 2. That's actually not bad at all. Here they always put they're closing down. They are like liquidating everything, and that's the price, but I always see it. Black Friday, everything 50% off. That might be the case, although I feel like prices here were really expensive. There's a lot of leather and like authentic fur, and I feel like people are not buying it nowadays. Let us know, by the way, if it's true in your country or not, but here people are not buying authentic fur and like leather that much anymore. So it's not as popular. People don't use it that much. Black Friday, 20% off in the other shop. Yeah, I feel like this might be a legit offer and like a regular normal offer during a Black Friday. Here, everything's 20 or 30% off. For example, and this is like a branded place. They have Guess, they have Ralph Lauren, Tommy Hilfiger. That's how they call these brands here in Spain. So quite a lot of people with bags, as I can see, different types of bags here. Everything is already prepared for Christmas too. Look at how lovely. This is like a fairy tale spot almost. Very cute. So quite a lot of Black Week. Look at this. There's even Black Week, which is not only Black Friday, but like the whole entire week that they'll be having discounts and special offers. Honestly, quite a lot of people with different types of bags everywhere we go, whatever we see, 30% discount here, Black Friday offers there. Here they're closing down everything 50 to 70% off. That is insane. These are like very, very expensive brands, by the way. So if it's actually true, that is a huge deal you're getting out there. Trust me. They have very expensive accessories and bags there worth hundreds of euros. So that's actually good. 20, 30, 50% discount. Honestly, I would say, it's a little too good to be true. No business will be just selling good production for half off because that is not even profitable for them. So yeah, a little bit strange. Ale Hop, what did they do with our cow shop? Look at it. I cannot. Did they close? Oh my goodness. I think they've changed the location. I think they actually closed down in this spot. Oh wow. Pizza is more expensive now. It was 250 first, then was 260, now it's 270. My goodness, this is getting more and more expensive, the pizza slices. But these are good in any case. Quite a lot of people out here. We do see a lot of bags from Zara, especially. We have Zara shop here on the left side on the Gambo Street, which is where the Hotel Avenida is located, and that's where the main shopping alley is. Skechers here, I don't think they have a Black Friday offer, honestly, because there is no like big sign saying that it's a Black Friday mid-season sale, 30, 20, 10%. That is understandable though, and that's a logical price. No discounts here at the Duck World. No discounts. Oh, there is Black Friday, 20% on everything. Lottery Place is closed now. A little bit of sunshine. Oh, it's nice. A little bit of sunshine for us here. Many places are closed and it is a work day. So it is a little bit strange. It's not like a weekend, but I feel like many places did close for, or maybe that's for siesta probably as well. Maybe that's just for siesta, or maybe they're on holidays now. Pandora has 20% off. Look at that. That's not bad at all. 20% discount is actually nice. This is like 20, 25%. I feel like it's fair and it's nice for customers. And then when you see like 50% off, it's already a little bit suspicious, if you know what I mean. Giant Christmas balls right here. Ooh. These have a little bit of small entrance, so you have to bend a little bit so that you wouldn't go with your head directly into the bowl. Black Friday offers here, Black Friday offers there for some optics. Every single space here, every single shop, even if it's just optics or like jewelry place, a lot of them do have the Black Friday offers. Let us know if you tend to shop during Black Friday or if you feel like it is a total scam and you should just shop during normal times whenever there's no 50% off because you feel like it's exactly the same price. Let us know, because we do not tend to buy that many things during Black Friday. We don't tend to spend that much because we always compare prices. We feel like it's not really worth it, with a couple of exceptions where we do feel like it might be a good bargain. Black Friday here, some more jewelry places, slightly less people here. People are just having a walk, wandering around. There's Zara shop here right on the left. There's quite a lot of queue out there. Closing shop, 50% for change of business. Okay, all right. And many, many more places. A little bit of sunshine, people on the terraces, people having a walk. You can see way, way more winter clothes already. It is quite chilly, not gonna lie. It is quite cold. And people say it's not, but for Spanish, it really is. It's not warm at all. 2 degrees in the morning, it's not warm. And even 10 degrees, 13, it's not warm for Spanish people. Which is why, like for residents here in Spain, which is why, well, we are with jackets, we are with coats, with scarves, with hats, with a little bit of everything, because for us it's really, really cold already. And that is strange because technically November, it's not the month when we feel cold. Usually it's January and February. But for some reason, cold came way, way earlier this year. Everything seems like it is ready to go. All the Christmas lights, decorations seem to be put in place already and fully ready to go for when the Christmas lights will be turned on, which is going to be an incredible day here in Benidorm. We're all looking forward to it. Oh, it's going to be an incredible time of the year. Really, really happy to see everything light up in the evening. New supermarkets, these continue evolving. Maybe it's not new, but these like change the outside part of it, the design. Restaurants like Robin Hood here, quite a lot of offers on the outside, not for the Black Friday obviously, but just like general offers. Quite a nice place. We're really, really curious to try it out at one point in the nearby future, just to see if it's actually good or not. They say it's best homemade food, so we will be testing it out to let you know on whether it's valid to spend your hardly earned money in this exact place. This is how Benidorm is looking like right now on a Black Friday weekend. There's going to be a lot of sales, a lot of offers everywhere you go. There's going to be so many offers around, and you'll see a lot of people with gift bags getting ready for Christmas. Thank you for accompanying us today.